Happy morning, children. Now we have to solve practice at 16.1 fourth question. For rainwater harvesting, a tank of length 10 meter, length is 10 meter, breadth 6 meter, and depth 3 meter is built. We have to find the capacity of the tank and how many liters of water can it hold. Now the meaning is actually the same only. What meaning is same here? First of all, the meaning of capacity you should know. Okay, now this question is not been asked directly, but what we have to find that we should know. Now how many liters of water can it hold? Now how many liters of water means what we have to find? That at least you must be understanding that we have to find the volume. Volume of water. And what is the meaning of capacity? Now the meaning of capacity is the maximum amount the object can hold. Now I'll just give you one example of capacity meaning. Now here is this glass. Okay. Now what is the volume? Volume meaning I explained you all. That the measure of the space occupied by the solid is called as the volume of the solid. Right? This we had discussed. The measure of the space occupied by a solid is called as the volume. So now here the space is there. Right? Now capacity means what? Maximum amount it can hold. Now here this glass I am taking, maximum amount is this glass holding. See the water, see the level of the water, till here only it is. So maximum amount is it holding? No. So capacity means what? Maximum. So maximum means it should be till here. Now I'll just give you an example. Here this is the glass of water. Now how I have filled this? To its capacity. Right? To its capacity. So this is called as the meaning of capacity. So now tank hold, what is the capacity of the tank means what? Maximum amount of water it can hold. That is called as its capacity. Means actually you have to find the volume only. Now in the tank what is there? Water is there. So how much amount of water the given tank can hold? That is the volume of the tank you have to find, and you have to also understand first the meaning of capacity. Once you know the meaning of capacity, then you will understand, I have to find volume only, right? So now we will start. I hope you have understood the meaning of capacity. So this is not to its capacity, right? Because till here I should have filled the glass. So, and general meaning of capacity, there are many meanings of capacity. A capacity means you should be able to perform to your best. Whatever talent you are having lot of memory, you should learn question and answers, study well, to your capacity, how your brain works. Do your best is actually the meaning of capacity in our day-to-day life, where everyone, whatever you have it in you, you do it to your best. Okay, so now we will see the example, we will solve it. I hope you have understood. So here I have already written, given length is 10 meter, breadth is 6 meter, height is 3 meter. Find volume of the tank. And one thing they have asked you, that how many liters of water. Now here first this is meter and meter. So first we will get the volume of the tank. So we'll just substitute the values now. Here 10 into 10 into 6 into 3. This is easy. 10 6 are 60. 60 into 3, 180. So 180 cubic meter is the volume of the tank. Now we want answer in liters. How many liters of water can it hold? This is cubic meter. So now you should know this. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liters. This you should understand. Okay, is 1000 liters. So 180 cubic meter, we have to convert it into liters. So how we will do? So we will write, therefore volume of the tank, in liters we are finding it, right, is equal to 180 into 1000. That is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many zeros? 4 zeros are there. So, liters. So, it is 1,80,000 liters. So, what we will write? Therefore, capacity of the tank in cubic meter we will write capacity, and in that there is like what I gave you the meaning of volume, space. So volume of the tank, that is capacity of the tank, is 180 cubic meter. Means what how much space is there in it, that is its capacity, maximum space which is being occupied, and in that space only we are putting water, right, in the tank. So capacity of the tank we are writing it as 180 cubic meter, and volume of the water it can hold in the tank. See, and the volume, how many liters of water, and volume of the water, the tank can hold is 1,80,000 liters. Okay, so in the given volume of the tank, what amount of water, maximum capacity it can hold, that is the meaning of it. I hope you have understood.